All right, guys, totally buenos dias to another traveling Costa Rica video. This is part two in Orosi, town just outside of San Jose. We're going to be doing a walk and talking tour here in town. I'm just getting my coffee. Well, this is my second coffee, 8 a.m. We're at Musi. You can get these coffees. They're everywhere in Costa Rica. Now, before we begin walking, guys, I want to tell you about some of the gear that I use. I'm a bit of a geardo. So if you're coming to Costa Rica and you're looking for a packing list, you might want to bring an extra battery. Is filming all the cool animals and towns and churches that we're going to see. We're going to see a church up there. Want to keep your phone charged up. This is the one I use. It's Anchor. It has like many power units in it. Many power units. I use this securable backpack. You see there's a locking thing here. And it's a sling style, so I can like spin it around to the front of me. Now, guys, we're going to commence the walking tour once I finish my coffee. But before we begin, I want to tell you about our trip down here from the Mirador, which is actually right up there. You can see it. That's where part one is. So check out part one. And there's more detailed instructions on how to get here from the San Jose airport. And then I'll meet you guys right back here. So we'll start off up at the Mirador, going down the hill. And immediately when you come around the corner from the Mirador, you get more great views of Orosi and the whole valley. There's another lookout there on the left if you're just passing through and you want to stop and check it out. The hill then starts winding a little bit, getting a little bit more tree covered. See on the map there, it's winding through the mountains around the river. There's a couple bridges to cross over, and then we get into town. So Orosi is a pretty built up area. There's a lot of shops you can see. The roads are in very good order. Right now we're driving around the main square, where we'll see a little bit later in this video. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed some of that footage there driving in. That's where I just had coffee there. We're on the main road here in Orosi. And we're going to walk it, guys, and you're going to hear how maybe you'll hear some of the motorcycles going by. It can get loud here on these main roads in Costa Rica. There's some restaurants there, supermercado. What day is it? It's a Tuesday. It's about 8 a.m. So, guys, I stayed at an Airbnb last night that was just up this road. And I'll tell you, if you're coming here and you want to get an Airbnb, look at where the main roads are, right? If you want to wake up at 5 a.m., book an Airbnb near the main road. You know, because the motorcycles, that's when they start, you know, everybody's going to work. There's a pharmacy there, cool. Okay, and look at the views here. That's wild, like the hills off in the distance. There you go. So once again, there's the Mirador right there, where we did part one. There's the hills. And off in that side, there's a volcano as well, you can see. The church is right up here, the main church square. Now around here in Orosi, there's rivers. There's a couple hot springs that I've seen. I saw there's one hot spring nearby in town here. But I read some of the reviews and it said it's more like a kids park, kind of swimming with slides and stuff, kids playing. Not tranquilo. So I don't know. I mean, if you guys know that one, I don't know what it's called actually. It's like right over here, I think. Very nice. Here's a little commercial place here. Pollo. Pollo's my go-to. So what I do when I show up at places like this, usually I start filming some videos, do a workout, then eat some chicken. So what's going on down this way? There's some more views, some more mountains over there. Guys, Orosi is like, they grow coffee here. It's like coffee town. There's a school for the kids. Well, okay, oh, we can see the volcano there. I'm pretty sure that's like a volcano. It looks like it. Right there, right in the middle of the screen. I don't know which volcano that is. Again, if you guys know that or anything as I'm walking around, please let me know in the comments. I know when I'm watching videos on YouTube, I read the comments as I'm watching them. It's probably because I'm deficit on attention. But if you guys do that, you know, leave comments, you know, let other people know. Here's a cool little store. What's this store? Valley. Fruits. Oh, pinas, great. Very cool little store with meat options. Now we're getting up to the main square here. We'll have to cross the road to go over to the church. And I've seen those little green birds. Maybe it's too early for me to remember what they're called. They're like the little parrots. The little, man, I don't know what they're called. Forget. It's crazy because I just looked it up. And it was in my brain. But now it's gone. So guys, here is a sign. If you're coming to Costa Rica, first of all, grab an eSIM. I got a link in the description for an eSIM with Saley. It's a good service, but you can find these signs and get free Wi-Fi in a lot of the public parks and at beaches. But yeah, if you're coming here, guys, just grab an eSIM. You just program your phone before you even get on the plane, and you get data connection when you get down here, rather than having to find a SIM card, like a physical SIM card. Just check your phone, though. Make sure your phone can support eSIMs. It means like electronic SIM. There's the views. There's a park. So last night, yesterday, there's all kinds of kids playing soccer out here. It's pretty cool. In the afternoon. Now here's the church over here. Now, I did some brief looking into the church, a little searchy, and apparently it dates back to the 1700s. Very old. You can see it looks pretty old. There's some coffee fields up above there. And those green birds, I see them. I want to get them on video. Now right up there, I'm going to zoom in. There's a sign that says Orosi, and it lights up at night. It's pretty cool. And at night, guys, it's awesome. Like, come here and check it out. Right, you can see all like the lights going up all these mountains. There's a road right there that kind of goes up. Looks pretty steep. And I think there's like some accommodations and like hotels up there. Just look at the size of the hills. So you're truly in the valley here. And Cartago apparently used to be, if I remember correctly, the capital of Costa Rica. Then it was moved to San Jose. So this area probably was landed upon earlier than a lot of the other places in Costa Rica. Oh, there they are. Okay, I see them. I see. You may be able to hear them too. Are they up in the trees? No, don't see them yet. They were actually just chilling over here on the church. But these green birds are kind of squirrely. They're like flying green squirrels. Here is the church. Very nice grounds. Look at that. We'll go walk over there in a second. Let's get some of the views of around here. So there's the hills. Look at the hills off in the distance. It's wild. You can see the skies are a bit clearer now. That's good for me because I got to go back over the hill of death. And it doesn't look too cloudy. Just incredible. Just incredible. Let's go walk through the church. I'm probably not going to talk much while we go through the church. I don't want to be that guy. Let's get a photo of it though. Nice little photo. Now, apparently, I read a review. There is this is free to get in here, but there's a souvenir shop and like an art shop over there. Oh, they're actually in service. Hágase tu voluntad en la tierra como en el cielo. Danos hoy nuestro pan de cada día. Perdona nuestras ofensas, como también nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. No nos dejes caer en tentación, líbranos del mal. Líbranos de todo lo malo, sobre conocer la paz. Go guys, so when I came through here the first time, I was filming for the ambient channel. That's the channel where I don't talk about anything. Leave me a comment if you want to see that video. There's nothing going on in there at the time. So you know, I did a full walk around the whole interior. That was nice, but hopefully that gives you a glimpse of what's going on. I'm not going to go walk in there with a camera. I'm a little socially inept, but not that socially inept. I wonder if we can get some information over here off the sign. Yeah, here we go. Some information. Look at this. This is very nice, eh? Very nice. Very nice. Would you look at that? So what's going on here? Oh, Religious Art Museum. So that's about $1, and that's about 50 cents American. Children under 6 are free. There you go. So what's the schedule? There's the schedule. So there you go. If you want to come here. This is nice. This is nice. I like it. I like it. It's relaxing. So let's head back down to the road. Let's see what's going on over there. Can I get out this way? Look at it. It looks very old, the church, eh? Look at this. I wonder if that's like pre-steel. And then this over here, what is this? Yeah, I can get out this way. Oh, it's an even bigger. Looks like a church. Let's have a peekaboo. Oh, this is a big church. Okay, this is a big one. Look at that. There you go. There's the schedule. So I presume that this is like the historical church, and then this one is probably more modern, bigger. So maybe they hold like smaller services in the old one, and then the bigger, you know, primary ones. But let me know if you know that. If you live here, let me know how that works. There you go. Look at that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that walking, talking tour here in Orosi. If you haven't already, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Hit like, leave me a comment, tell me where you're watching from. Leave me a request. I try to get requests in as much as I can. These videos are by request here in Orosi. Got a comment asking to check it out, and I was passing through, so I said, why not? And check the links in the description for all the things we talked about in this video. The battery bank, the backpack, and the Saili eSIM for your packing list here in Costa Rica. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye now.